What if I told you you're not unmotivated? You're just stuck in a broken system. So I did something crazy. I gave my entire week to AI. Every decision, every hour, every move planned by ChatGPT. Did it fix my motivation? Or did it reveal something I never saw coming? ChatGPT gave me a full schedule. Wake up early, deep breathing, focused work, stretch, reflect. It looked perfect, but deep down, I still felt that voice. You're not gonna keep this up. Even with a perfect plan, I still didn't feel like doing it. That's when it hit me. Motivation doesn't just come from a good plan. It comes from belief. Belief in yourself. The AI gave me structure, but it couldn't give me that fire inside. That part was on me. Day 3, something started to shift. The more I followed the schedule, the less I fought with myself. No second guessing, no wasting time. Just do this, then do that. And that's when I realized discipline feels easier when you stop deciding. Less thinking, more doing. Felt peaceful. Crazy, right? But maybe we don't need more freedom. Maybe we need better rules. By day 5, I wasn't just following the plan. I was changing, and I asked myself something honest. Why did a robot believe in me more than I did? Have you ever felt that? Like you're waiting on something to give you permission to finally show up as you? Truth is, you're not lazy. You're not broken. Your environment is. Your routines, your loops. Fix your system, and you give your soul room to breathe. But then came the twist. By day 7, I didn't need the AI anymore. Because something in me had flipped. I trusted my word, not my mood, not my feelings. I became the kind of person who does the thing no matter what. So, did AI fix my motivation? Not really, but it helped me rebuild it. It reminded me motivation isn't a spark, it's a rhythm. And sometimes, it takes something outside of us to wake something up inside us. If this spoke to something real in you, hit subscribe, not just to watch, but because maybe you're ready to stop waiting and start becoming. Your mind isn't failing you, your system is. Let's change that together.